today we're gonna make like sushi. So what you're gonna need for this is you're gonna need 3 cups of sushi rice right here. And you're gonna need 4 cups of water. I saw you! 2/3 of a cup of rice vinegar, but if you don't have enough of that, you can also combine it with apple cider vinegar, which is what we do. So what you're gonna do is first you're gonna combine your rice and your water into a saucepan. So we have it, and we're just gonna bring it over to the stove and bring it to a boil. Waiting, you're gonna want to prepare your veggies. Today we're making vegetarian, so we'll be using carrots, cucumbers, and avocado. And you want to make sure that you cut them, like smash sticks. I'm not sure how to do this, so this is Aunt May, she's gonna do it. She owns this YouTube channel. Also, keep in mind that you can use anything you want. It doesn't have to be just these 3 ingredients. You can use cucumbers. You can use red pepper. You can use shrimp. But we're just making it vegetarian today. But you can really use whatever you want. So as you can see, our rice is all done. This is what it looks like. There's really no like liquids. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar, and you're going to pour it in and mix it up. You want to make sure that you really get it in at the bottom because you want all of the rice to taste the same and not have one part taste really sour. Yeah, sour, and then the other part tastes really bland. And you'll see that there are 2 sides. There's the shiny side without the lines, this side, and then there's the not so shiny part with the line. You want to put the shiny side, the one without the lines, on your mat or parchment paper. Now, you're going to want to, this is very important, only fill the sushi up until this line right here, the last line. You're going to wet your hands or fingers, take a handful of rice. Let's go down a little bit. Alright, so you're gonna want to dip it. And whenever your hands get dry or the rice starts to stick a little bit more, just repeat this step and you will see me doing it. And then you're going to want to spread the rice out as much as you can. The reason why you want to do it as much as you can is because you want to make sure that you don't have too much rice, because I've done that before and it's not good. Then you're going to want to take a heaping of vegetables. Make sure that you do a generous amount, because if you don't, it will taste all like rice and it's not that good that way. And then take and make sure to squeeze it when you're rolling it. This part is kind of tough if you're doing it on parchment paper, so you really have to squeeze. Start up. It looks like this. And even if it is kind of lumpy, that's okay. But as long as it tastes delicious, then you're fine. So you got that. And last one. This is not sharp, love. I need a sharp knife.
If you enjoyed this recipe and you want to see other videos just like it, please make sure to subscribe below. And if you have any suggestions for other recipes for us to do in the future, let us know in the comments below. Thank you.